Let's get started. Actually, let's get started. So if you're using Git bash, as soon as you open your terminal, like I have opened it like this, your present working directory probably do not have permissions to do some certain things. So what we need to do is to change the current directory where we are. Just follow this step. You understand it later. Just do this. So if you do cd and then tilde, click on enter, you currently are in a directory. If I say present working directory, you see, so you're in your Windows users, your directory where you have permissions to modify things. So let's continue. I'll be using this, but I can also switch to this. So it's basically just the same thing. Just follow my steps. All right. So what we're going to do now is we need a directory where we can practice with. I need to give you a project where you can use this project, clone the project, and then what I'm doing, just try to follow up, play around with it, you know, because you need a project to work with. So I have this project. Where is my project? Here. Yeah. Skywalker Python exercises. So this is where, as I play around with Python, I just drop them in this repo. I have a lot of stuff here. You can play around with it also, but I need you to clone this repo. Click on the code. You see, not SSH, not GitHub CLI, just HTTPS. Copy it. That's the copy icon. Come here and say git clone, and then paste that. So Git is another topic we'll cover later in the sidelines. Very important, Git. But Git clone, let's do the same thing here. I'm not sure if Git is installed in this remote computer, but Git clone. So if we do ls, we see that we now have Python exercises here. Did you see that? I'm going to do the same here. I have a bunch of files in my regular computer, but this is it, Python exercises. So whichever way you're using, we would be using this project to work.